Okay, today we're gonna do the Char Siew, and we're gonna do the marination first. So first of all, we need here I have a 600 gram of the hua roll, okay, which the pork collar, or you can use shoulder bar. And here I have the pork belly san chen roll. Okay, I did remove the skin. Okay, if you don't remove the skin, it'll be very hard. So no, must remove the skin. Okay. Here I have the garlic, minced garlic 1 tablespoon. Then I have the minced ginger. I have the minced ginger about 3/4 tablespoon. I have the 5 spice powder, 五香粉. I have honey. I have my special soy sauce I put in the small bottle. I have sesame oil. I have this dark soy sauce. I have the HOISIN sauce. And lastly, the secret is this, the red bean curd. Okay, it's very important. Okay, furu. So it gives a very nice caramelized red color to the whole marination of the pork. So let's do the marination first. First, the ginger and the garlic. Just put inside. Marination roll. Honey. The honey is going to give the pork a very nice sweetness and to caramelize the pork also. So sauce we put about 2 tablespoons. Let's have dark soy sauce. And the HOISIN sauce. It's the secret, okay, the furu. Look at that, look at the color, it's so red. We have about 1 cube. Okay. Okay. So we have 2 cubes of the furu. Okay, take some of the sauce, sesame oil, important, the 5 spice powder. We have about 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Now let's mix. Okay. We're gonna mash the fermented bean curd. Next, take the pot and just transfer inside. Okay. Maybe to marinate for about 6 hours, or you can wait overnight also can. And we'll come back again to check it out. char siew has been marinated for 6 hours already, and the absorb the sauce is very nice. So the sauce we're going to pour it into the pot and cook it, and so after that we're going to use it to glaze the pork while it is roasting in the oven. Let's go. Okay, as the marinade brings to a boil, right? Just like I'm going to pour in some honey. So give a nice glaze, nice sweet glaze for the char siew. Just about 2 tablespoons of the honey. That's it. Then I bring to a boil and we can off it already. Okay, now I preheated the oven. Okay, I'm going to take out the rack. And I'm going to place the char siew onto this rack to roast it. Below I put aluminium on the tray, so I'm going to put some water on it so to prevent it from smoking too much, because when the marinade drip to the tray, then it dry out, it will be burnt. So I'm going to put some water to prevent it from burning, and at the same time it gives moisture to the meat. It's about 10 minutes. So now we're going to glaze our char siew the first time. Okay. So take out